And the race on Mr. Saber, Frying Eyes by the Red Cash Feeder. It's now Cash Feeder. On the outside is Mr. Saber. Fuego by the Red Frying Eyes Feeder Firm. And Swap Tiger. While entry number 4, Fuego is second last, and Sweet Julian. And nearing the last 600, Mr. Saber by the rally's Cash Feeder. Is Speedo Firm racing from the outside, Prying Eyes. Swap Tiger is racing Pip from the outside, Boss Foggy, Fego, and Sweet Julian. Last 450, Cash Feeder by a length and a half, Speedo Firm from the outside as they race the final corner. Cash Feeder by a length and a half. Prying Eyes down on the inside, Speed of Firm. From the outside, Mr. Saber, Swab Tiger. And nearing the finish line, Speed of Firm. A long shot, Prying Eyes down on the inside. Last 50 meters, Speed of Firm. And finally, it's going to be Speed of Firm. Prying Eyes, Cash Feeder, Swab Tiger, Fuego. Number 6, Boss Foggy, Mr. Saber, and Sweet Julian comes last.